We have completed with the design of tables, reports and queries, and now it comes a time that we integrate all the tables, queries and reports in a single platform. So for that we use a form here. I just go and click on create and create a blank form. I go to its design view and set up its backup color. I just want to add some button in it. So I go and add a button here. I want to show form operations here so that I can open a form here. I click to the next and add product form here. I click to the next and want to show the text product here, and I click next and finish. So you can see here that a product button is added over here, and I go to the view, form view, and on clicking form you can see my product table can be opened up. So in the similar way I can add some more buttons. I add a button for customer here. For the form operations I get open form. Next I will add a customer and add text customer here. Next and finish. And similar way I will add one more button for suppliers. I can do many operations here like printing and opening the form and many more options by opening a form here. So I just want to open a form here, so I do that and I added a supplier over here. I can go and view the form view. Product, I can open a product form. On clicking customer I can open a customer form. On clicking supplier I can open a supplier. In the similar way as I have added product, customer and supply, I add order and purchase form. Now I want to create a single different form for the stock report, because in stock report I want to view the stock report and also to print the report. So I just go and click on the create, and on click creating I create a blank form. I go to the design view, and in the design view I just go to form design and put a button here. So for the first button I just go to the report operations and I will open a report. Next, and I will open final stock report. Next I will write final stock report, open final stock view, final stock, next and final stock and finish. So here I can just take the final stock report details, and in the similar way I add a button and I print the report also. So I go to the report operations and print report. Next, and I just want to print final stock report, print final report, final stock report. I just want this text. Next, and I write print final stock and finish. So you can see that I can give the details here as such. So I give some color here, and I have a final stock report and print final stock report here. In the similar way as I have created the final stock report view and its print view, I have created the view for stock in, stock out and the print view. I can go to the view and to the form view, and on clicking stock in I can see the stock in report details. And if I want to click on the stock in and want to print it, it can go to the print, or I can save it in my documents also as such. So you can go and save it to your documents, and on documents you can see, I suppose I give the name print1 and it's saved in my documents. So I go and visit to my documents. I go and visit to my documents. You can see this PC and my documents, and my print one is there, and from here also you can go and print the stock report. So this is your stock report what you have created. So in this way we have done how we can create a report, stock and report form. We just save it as a stock detail form. So I just say yes and I will save it as a stock form. Okay, I just save it, and here in this design view I come here and create a button name stock details. In form open I just open form next, and I just open stock form next. Text I will write stock details. Next, stock details. Finish. And now I go to my form view and I click on the stock details and I get all the details one by one. So in this way we have integrated all the reports, forms in